Fundamentals of partnership firm. Very important topic is cost adjustment. Definitely one question will come for 4 mark or 6 mark based for public exam. So you do practice more questions. Basically, what are cost adjustment? They are adjusting the errors that have occurred in the past. Year end 31st March every year, books are closed and balance sheet have prepared. Then we came to know this kind of error made by them. That error may be in the form of errors of commission or omission. So how we are going to adjust these errors? The financial statement, year-end statement, balance sheet, profit and loss account, everything have prepared, but we are not going to disturb those accounts. We will do adjustment only in partner's capital account. Here students have to focus about partner's capital account, whether it is fixed capital account or fluctuating capital account. If it is fixed capital account, we can do adjustment only in current account, not in partner's capital account. If it is fluctuating capital account, we can do adjustment in partner's capital account itself. Basically, what are past adjustments? They are adjusting the errors that have occurred in the past. That means books have been closed and balance sheet are prepared, and those kind of errors should be rectified. When the books are closed and balance sheets are prepared, we are not going to disturb about balance sheet. All the adjustment will done through partner's capital account. If it is fixed capital account, the adjustment will be made in partner's current account. If it is fluctuating capital account, we will do that adjustment in partner's capital account. So all the adjustment will be made through partner's capital or current account. What kind of errors can exist, or what kind of errors may committed? First is interest on capital is not allowed. It may be given in the wrong rate. It may be a higher rate or lower rate. Interest on drawings is not charged, or interest is charged on drawings at the wrong rate. It may be higher rate or lower rate. And remuneration has been allowed, whereas it should not be allowed, or vice versa. It has been allowed, whereas it should not have been allowed. Or sometimes the profit distribution also not correct. Maybe higher profit is credited to the partner, else lower profit is credited to the partner. See this illustration. P, Q and R are partners in a firm with capital as on 1st April 2019 as rupees 30,000, 15,000 and 15,000 respectively. As per the partnership deed, R was to be allowed remuneration of rupees 3,000 per annum, and interest at 5% per annum was to be allowed on capital, and profit were to be divided in the ratio of 2:1. Profit of rupees 18,000 for the year ended 31st March 2019 was distributed equally among the partners. Pass an adjustment entry to rectify the errors. See in this problem, P, Q and R are partners in the firm with capital as on 1st April 2019 as rupees 30,000, 15,000, 15,000 respectively. Remember here 1st April 2019. So 31st March 2019 financial statement have prepared already. As per the partnership form, the deed says R was to be allowed remuneration of rupees 3,000 per annum. So R would get rupees 3,000 per annum as remuneration amount. Second one is interest on capital 5% per annum, and the third they have given profit should be divided in the ratio of 2:1. but here they have information: profit of rupees 18,000 for the year ended 31st March 2019 was distributed equally among the partners. So here equally that 18,000 is distributed to the partners, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, irrespective of that profit and loss sharing ratio. So they have given only 2 is to 2 is to 1. As per this ratio only they have to divide and give. That too after appropriate, like after or got the remuneration from the firm, and after given that interest amount to the partners 5 percentage on their capital, that profit should be distributed as per 2 is to 2 is to 1. But wrongly they have distributed that profit amount equally to all the partner. That profit money is distributed before giving effect to the remuneration interest to the partners. So as per this problem, R did not get his remuneration and the partners did not get interest on capital money also. So now they are asking to adjust that entry to rectify the errors, making in this case 4 columns, for each partner 1 column and 1 for firms. That column is subdivided into 2. Left side is debit side and right side is credit side. See that first one, profit already distributed equally to all the partners. So available profit money is 18,000. This 18,000 distributed equally to the 3 partners, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. Now that 6,000 should be debited because net of it is 18,000. Some appropriation is there like interest on capital, remuneration to the partner. Then after adjust that only, that profit should be given to the partner as per the deeds ratio. Deed is accepted 2 is to 2 is to 1 only, not equally, isn't it? So withdrawing that profit money from the partners to the firm, so debited to all the partners 6,000 and credited by the firm 18,000 rupees. And remuneration as per partnership deed, R would get that remuneration rupees 3,000 per annum. So R's account alone expressly will be credited by 3,000 and that 3,000 will be debited in firm's money. It says that firm's profit amount is decreased from 18,000 to 15,000 because 3,000 given by the firm to the partner R 3,000, right? So partners R's account will be credited 3,000 rupees and firm's account will be debited 3,000. And second one is interest on partners capital. So interest on partners capital, how many percentages they have given? 5 percentage. You know partners capital 30,000, 15,000, 15,000. On that 5 percentage we have to calculate. So 1,500 should be credited to partner P and 750 for Q and another 750 for R should be credited as interest on partners capital because it is have to be provided by the firm to the partner as per partnership deed. So this collectively, these all the money 3,000 rupees will be debited in firm's account. Now again that profit is reduced from 15,000 to 12,000 because 3,000 given to the partners by the firm as interest on partners capital. Any adjustments are there? No more adjustments. These two alone is accepted by partnership deed. So remaining amount is 12,000 will be distributed as per their profit and loss sharing ratio which is mentioned in partnership deed. That is 2 is to 2 is to 1. So 2 is to 2 is to 1 means 4,800, 4,800, 2,400 will be credited to all the partners because this 12,000 is splitted by 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 in the ratio. As per this adjustment, we are calculating that P should get money 6,300, which means short credited by 300 for P. So P would get 6,300 rupees. Instead of that, P got only 6,000 rupees profit. In Q's capital, Q would get only 5,500, 550 rupees, but instead of that, he got 6,000 rupees. So extra credit already 450 rupees that should be debited in Q's capital account. And in R's capital account, R would get 6,150 rupees. Instead of that, he got only 6,000 rupees. So R should be credited rupees 150 rupees. So whose account will be debited? Q's account will be debited, and P and R's account will be credited 300 150 rupees.